up, guys? Back in the shop again. This video is a little bit scattered, but hopefully I will have all the main pieces in it. There was a lot of noise going on in the shop, couldn't really do an intro, so I'm going to do that now. What you'll be seeing is the new turbos going on and the other associated stuff with that to get the engine to where we see it now. So that's what's going to be happening here. Everything here, the only new parts on this engine, or actually there's no new parts on it, they're good used parts, is a low mile set of turbos and a good used intercooler core. So that's what we put back on here. Everything else is exactly the same spark plugs, all that stuff. We're just going to put it back together, see if it'll start up, and then work through the issues from there if we have any. So let's get to it, see what we get done today. Alright, so here's where we're at now. We've got everything put back together. We got everything on the engine is back the way it belongs, except for a couple of the clamps and things, but all that really won't keep us from seeing how it's going to run. I gotta get some new clamps. I'm actually going to be replacing these. They're kind of delaminating on the inside, but everything else is together in a way that we should be able to start it. So yeah, gonna go ahead, hop inside and see if this thing is gonna start up. Got the battery packs along with the charger on, so hopefully we'll be able to have the voltage we need to start it up. Oh, here heard the fuel pump priming. Okay. Ignition on. Cooling system fault. Well, we don't have any coolant in it, so we're gonna give it a quick hit, see what it does. Oh my word, it started and actually sounds amazing. Unbelievable. Let's go see how it sounds on the outside. Wow, absolutely purring. That is amazing. Get that unhooked. Check that out, it's alive. And sounds absolutely amazing. So obviously I won't be able to let it run too long because we've got no coolant in it, but I am incredibly happy right now. It sounds absolutely fine. Let's get in here and give it a quick few revs. Wow, that is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, we definitely got a bunch of coolant smoke, oil smoke, kind of all that stuff burning off the cylinders. Does sound like it has a little bit of a misfire and stuff, but I think we're good. I think we're going to be able to be, I think the gamble paid off here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the front end slapped on, get some coolant in it, so I can let it warm up the temp, and then possibly hit the road and do some testing. But yeah, I'm incredibly happy right now. So let's get set up for the front end, get the core support on, get some coolant in it, and get it warmed up, see what we find. I can't wait to see. The real test will be once we get it under boost, to see if we get any misfires under boost. So a lot of times if you're low on compression on a cylinder, it'll idle fine, but you get it under load, under boost, and you'll end up with misfires. But at this point, it's all looking good. So let's get to it. So I have got it pretty much back together. Enough that I'm going to go take it on a quick test drive, just kind of see what it all feels like. Everything is kind of temporary. There is a couple issues. One, the new O-rings I put in on the water lines that are supposed to be the updated parts are all leaking. I thought the O-rings looked a little small when I put them in, but I figured, you know what, they're supposed to be right, and I actually double checked the part numbers, but I don't know what happened there. They definitely don't seem like they're the right O-rings, because when I did the pressure test they were leaking, but I said forget it, can't leak that bad, I just didn't want to see this thing drive. So it's late, it's dark outside, I'm probably not going to be going far, so I probably won't do the first driving video